This is a really quick DIY you can do for Halloween. I just started with some of these glass bowls, grabbed some bat stickers, and then just started placing them all over the bowl. Next, I'm going to spray paint it black. Just make sure you do this in layers and don't put on too much all at once or it will drip. Now the fun part where you get to peel off all of your bat stickers. I then grabbed a smaller jar that would fit inside and started wrapping twinkle lights all around it. You'll place this inside of your bowl, and that way it'll give it an even distribution of all the light. I grabbed these stems and flowers from the dollar store so that I could add them to my bowl. This is probably one of my favorite DIYs that I've done in a while. It looks really pretty during the day, but even better at night. I absolutely love them, and I ended up making 3 so that I could put 2 on our dining room table as well.